Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to tonight's news bulletin. Here's a quick look at the top stories making headlines. In a major move to support small and marginal farmers, the Reserve Bank of India has increased the limit for collateral-free agricultural loans. This decision aims to ease financial pressures on farmers facing rising input costs and inflation. A shocking discovery in the Rajya Sabha today as currency notes were found at the seat of a Congress MP. An inquiry has been ordered, raising questions about security lapses within Parliament and triggering debates on conduct within the nation's legislative body. More updates are awaited. Devendra Fadnavis has officially taken charge as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, promising a new era of stability and growth. Fadnavis vowed to lead the state toward transformative governance and development in the coming years. Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi called the discovery of currency notes at his party's MP's seat bizarre and comical. Meanwhile, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju has demanded a thorough investigation into the matter, emphasizing the need for transparency in securing Parliament premises. The Supreme Court has denied bail in a high-profile drugs case, citing the threat posed by drug syndicates. In a statement, the court referenced popular TV shows like Narcos and Breaking Bad to highlight the severity of the situation. In a significant legal development, the Delhi High Court has rejected Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's request to advance the hearing in a money laundering case related to alleged irregularities in the Delhi excise policy. The case continues to unfold as investigations by the CBI and ED proceed. In the chilling Delhi triple murder case, the police have revealed that the accused, Tawar, searched online for murder techniques before committing the crime. He remains in police custody as investigations continue. A Thane resident has fallen victim to a massive Rs. 59 lakh scam, with fraudsters posing as customs and CBI officials. Police have registered a case under various sections of the new Penal Code and are actively investigating the matter. In a tense standoff at the Shambhu border, farmers' march towards Delhi has been halted after tear gas shells were deployed by authorities. The farmers are demanding a fair minimum support price (MSP) for their produce as tensions rise over their protest. That's all for tonight's news. Stay with us for more updates as they unfold. Thank you for joining us on Channel 6 Network.